Couple Gaming here, and today we are going to do another Nerf gun vid. We are doing Hunger Games. You don't know what Hunger Games is? Yeah. This is my friend White. Okay. So today we are going to do. Shut up. So if you don't know what it is, we're going to be shooting each other with a gun. If you get shot, you're out. How much health do we have?
4. This does 2 damage. This will do 1 per hit. 3-second cooldown with this one.
What?
Yeah.
Okay.
Cooldown. So when you hit someone, it takes 3 seconds for you to be able.
And the same rules apply with this gun.
It's like a knife.
Yeah.
Hey. So 10. How much heads turn?
15.
Who counted it?
Before you can kill
Who counts it?
All of us.
3, 2, 1. Start this.
Come on, guys.
3, team. What is it?
Yeah, it's team, dude. All right. So it looks like me and White are teamed, right?
Yep.
Look at it, dude. We could shoot each other and betray each other, but we're not. That would be dumb. Oh, he's coming. Dude, come on. Come on, guys. Come on. I don't know what that was, guys. Okay, guys. Wait, what do we do?
Throw it up.
He shot at him, dude. Are you forgetting something? Should we just leave some guns here? We have way too much. Wait, I gotta get the ammo. Let's see.
I see him.
Where? Am I in trouble? Look, guys, we got this cocked already. Wait. Why did I try to cock it? I don't know, guys. I'm pretty stupid. Let's go.
Grab something. You want? Don't shoot. Don't shoot. Grab something. We'll let you. Back
Hey,
up.
guys.
Back up.
He's shooting you?
No, just back up.
What?
Anyone touch this one? Right here, because this is mine. I'm putting it down so I can shoot this. Anyone touch this? It gets blown up.
Oh my god, that's the 2 damage. That's the 2 damage, guys. We're walking towards that monster.
Dude, I'm fully stocked. Check me out.
Okay.
Hey, show the camera. Show me the camera. Check this out. No, I have like it in my waist.
Yes. Come on, guys.
Watch behind me. Right there.
Right there. Oh, I suck, guys. I'm not that good at this. Cock.
This gun has no ammo.
Whatever.
Hey,
I'm gonna risk it real quick, guys.
take this.
I'm good. Wait a sec. He has horrible aim, so not that scared, but dang it! It got hit in the windmill. I'm gonna go get some ammo, guys. Oh, the ammo's all gone. What about this gun, guys? See this gun? Stocked, ready to shoot. Oh gosh, wait, did I say gun trade?
No, hold on. Stop. Wait. Don't shoot me. Back up. Wait. Don't shoot me. No, don't shoot me. Stop.
Cameraing everything. What's happening? You just gave him a gun.
Playing fair.
He already got that one. It's gonna take 2 health out of us. What do you mean playing fair? It's his fault he didn't get in the first place. You guys, leave a comment if you think that's weird.
How many views do you have?
Barely any. I'm not a good YouTuber, but I have some people watching me. Okay, guys. It's not real. This is boring. I have 6 more minutes on my camera. God dang. Come on, let's kill him. What? Let's hunt him down. Let's hunt him down. What? Holy.
Dude, that's still.
Did he shoot you?
Yep.
I gotta take cover real quick. Guys, I gotta cock my gun. Let's get another shot in. Okay. That's Hunter. Alright, you both have 3 health, right? You guys both had 3 health, and I have 4, but I'm okay. Oh my god. That was the most successful battle right there. I gotta go load up on some gun stuff. Alright guys, we're hunting him because I don't want to run out of time in the vid. Wait. Oh, that don't work great. Let's just grab the sword. This is Wyatt's sword. I want someone to grab that gun. Not Wyatt. So I want Hunter to grab that gun. More specifically because that gun isn't not working so well. So yeah. Here, back to the battle. Did you shoot him, Wyatt?
Yep, one time. I got you one time.
Yeah, Hunter. Hunter, you have 2. Hunter, Hunter, you have 2 health and.
No! He shot through my hair.
Does that count, Wyatt?
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, Hunter, that counts. You have 2 health currently. Can we beat him before this vid ends? Can we?
Why is this? I got jammed.
I sorted you!
You give me the sword now.
Dad, you died! Wait, Wyatt, fair battle, right? Wyatt, do you want to do a fair fight?
Alright, bye-bye.
Stop!
He has 2 health gone.
Who?
Him.
Do you want me to shoot myself? Why? It's a fair fight. 3? Was it? He is?
Yep.
Thought we got him.
Dude, there are like 8 bullets behind
How
you.
much health does he have?
1 more health.
Oh, I'm sorry, guys. I thought he died. Get the
Wait, I didn't die?
no.
No, leave me alone. I went and ran. No, leave me alone. I thought it was dead. Go. Freaking
Sure.
go.
Let him.
That's the excuse.
Fuck. Can't say that in the video. No.
No, I'm not. Okay, guys. Dude, he was dead. 4 health gone, dude.
That was 4 health gone.
Fine. Whoa. We need him dead. It's 8 and we have like 11 minutes. My camera, dude. I know. Hi, Wyatt. Where's my treehouse thing? It's not a treehouse, but it's a fort. My dog, Sasha. Say hi, Sasha. Say hi to the camera. Dude, that dog will bite you. Is Hunter gone? Oh. He's gonna shoot himself. Yeah, dude.
Cover me.
I have 2 more minutes. I'm going in. What? Does this gun work properly?
Yeah.
Okay, guys, we're going in like a great person. I'm at their 1 health. to. What? Yeah, but I need you dead. Oh my God. Just come out. Please, Hunter. Please don't. One of us needs to die because I only have 1 minute left. Freaking 30 seconds. Come back here, you. Oh my God. Dead. Yes. We have 24 seconds. We have to fight now. He's dead. We have to fight.
Alright, go. Where is he?
Go. We have to fight now.
Each other?
Yes.
Is he dead?
Yes. Go.
3.
Go. I told you. Did I hit you?
No.
Ah, I got shot. No. Come on. What?
Is it, guys?
Yeah, let's just say I'm dead. All right, guys. Cup Up Gaming. We ran.